Claims happen in life. They're a part of the insurance process. There are certain actions, however, that some insureds take when they have a claim that are not prudent and in turn can cause an already difficult situation to become a disastrous one. Hello, I'm Chip Fridrich, and today I'll present you with 5 typical things that insureds often do incorrectly when a claim occurs. Hopefully these examples will be helpful, so if you're ever involved in any type of insurance claims, you'll know what not to do. Example number 1, you suspect that you might have damage to your home or your car, but you put it off and more ensuing damage occurs. Here's some advice. Either turn in the claim and go through that process after consulting with your agent, or get it fixed independently, but don't do nothing, especially when there's the possibility that the situation could worsen by your inactivity. Another example. You have damage to your home or auto and you have repairs made, and then you turn the claim into the insurance company after the fact. Insurance companies do not like this at all. They want to have the damage looked at by an adjuster, or they at least need to document the claim with photos and statements by the insured. Here's another example I've seen a few times as well. Let's say you turn in a claim for damage to your home. We'll use a roof that was heavily damaged by hail as an example. The insurance company pays a settlement for the replacement, and then you do nothing. In other words, you keep the money. You have to understand that the claim will show up on your insurance record down the road and will be a major issue if you try to sell your residence in the future. There will definitely be some explaining to do. Not only is this not smart, it could be interpreted as insurance fraud, which could lead to problems much more severe than a damaged roof. Example number 4. You're in a car accident, and it's questionable as to whose fault it is, but you admit fault because you feel badly about the wreck. This is not advisable. Unless the accident is 100% obvious to you that you are the party at fault, you should not admit guilt at any time after the accident. There could be circumstances that cause fault that you are not aware of, and those could be sorted out by witnesses or the responding police officer. The final example I'll use will involve the failure of an insured to prevent further damage after a claim occurs. This is your obligation under the language of the policy. If you have a roof leak, for example, efforts should be made to prevent additional damage or damage unrelated to the original claim until repairs are made by tarping it, for example. Once again, I will restate, claims happen, and there's no denying that. I hope that some of these tips will help you navigate the process a bit easier so your experience will be a smooth one. We've been in business since 1957 as a family-owned, truly independent insurance agency. That's over 60 years of serving the families and businesses of Nashville, Middle Tennessee, and multiple states across the country. If you're interested in knowing more about our agency, contact us at info@fpa.insure.